Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add furniture to your room on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and select your room to which you would like to add the furniture. Click on add furniture in the at the bottom of the page in the right side corner. Here there are a bunch of categories that you can choose from, such as bed, wardrobe, windows and doors, decoration, rooms, build, bedding, nightstand, bed and bench, TV media, dresser, dressing table, sideboard, sport equipment, fireplaces, coffee table, game table, and so on. So tap on the relevant category that you would like to add first. And here you can select from a bunch of options at the top. As you can see, these are IKEA beds mostly. Here you can see the types of beds that are available to you, and also you can select the color as well. So here there are 3 options that you can choose from, and then click on the add to room button. And now you should zoom in and place it in your room. You are free to add more pieces of furniture to your room. So feel free to furnish your bedroom with these available pieces of furniture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.